Poncho, Poncho, Poncho. Now, when we talk about great champions, we talk about Stone Cold Steve Austin, Ron Simmons, JBL, The Rock, The Undertaker, The Big Show, Kane, Chris Jericho, Randy Orton, Bruno Sammartino, Hulk Hogan, Dusty Rhodes, Ric Flair, Triple H. The list goes on and on. But Poncho, right now, I want to talk to you about Jinder Mahal, the second ever WWE World Indian Champion. Now, Poncho, in your opinion, what do you think about Jinder Mahal and him being a WWE champion? DJ Blazing, well, he's the second Indian champion compared to the Great Khali. The Great Khali won his first world title in 2007. And 10 years later, now you see Jinder Mahal win the WWE World Championship. And my opinions on Jinder Mahal is that first, when he came into the wrestling business, he was not the star that WWE was looking for. But once he left and came back, I think that's when he took his wrestling mojo to the next level, because he got healthier, he got stronger, and he understood the business. And with him being with friends, I mean, that's another help. And Jinder Mahal being a WWE champion, I think is great for the culture of wrestling, because you get to see wrestlers non-white win the championship. And Jinder winning the championship, I think, was great business move. And because he's a great heel. So I think it's only a matter of time before people start looking at Jinder Mahal and saying, hey, Jinder Mahal might be the next best star internationally.